So, with so much more inner space inside of you to open up, to receive and accept that positive energy where you had in that circle, let's go ahead and bring that into you. So think about that positive energy again in that circle you walk into. Think about that positive energy that brings you the positive feelings. If it had a color, what kind of color would it be? Red, yellow, blue, green? If it had a color. If it had a shape, what would it be? Circle, triangle, square, or it has no shape, free form? Is that energy moving? Or it just stays there? Is it focused? Or is it very blurry? Now, as you inhale in that color and shape of that positive energy that represents a positive feeling. Inhale that into you. Very good. And when you exhale twice as long, you slowly exhale. Allow that to soak into you. So first time, when you inhale in, you inhale that color and shape of the positive energy. And when you exhale twice as long, take your time to allow it to enter your skin. Right now we're at the skin level. Great. Now let's go into the muscle level. So when you inhale in that color and shape of the positive feelings and positive energy, this time when you exhale slowly, bring it to your muscles. All the muscles of your body. Now, this time, when you exhale, bring it to your tissues. Joint. Bring it. Let it soak into all the cells, the fibers. Now let it soak into all the space between the space. That's right, because we cleaned up everything from the vacuum cleaner. We suck out all the negative energy, so you have so much space. Let that positive energy from that circle to fill you up. As you are doing it, you might start to become more aware of how your body is feeling, because you're getting more and more relaxed. You're becoming more open to receive, open to accept. So as you become more aware of your body, just pay attention to your right hand. Notice your right hand. Where's your right hand? It's on your belly, it's on your chest, it's on your mat. Just notice where your right hand is. Now, pay attention to your right elbow. Notice where your right elbow is. On the mat, on your stomach, on your chest. Where is that right elbow?